Dear students, I am Ajay Tiwari. Today you are going to learn how to use string module in the Python. As you know that Python makes available many functions through module in its standard library. Python's standard library is a collection of many modules for different functionalities. As for example, module math offers math related functions. Module random provides random number generators. Module statics helps many static functions, and module string offer string related functions. In order to work with the functions of a string module, you need to first import it to your program by giving a standard statement as follows as the top line of your Python program. See here, I have written here import string. So right now I have written import string at the top of program code. The offer then after we can use string library functions as string dot the name of function. See here, string dot the name of function, string dot the name of function. Clear? In this program I have written ASCII. So what is the full form of ASCII? The full form of ASCII is American Standard Code for Information Interchange. It is a 7-bit code. Okay. Now I am going to explain this example one by one. Okay. So first you will write import string. Then after you will use string dot ASCII uppercase. This command will print uppercase letter A to Z. A to Z. Okay. This command string ASCII lowercase. This command print lowercase a to Z. Okay. Here string ASCII letters means combination of uppercase and lowercase. It means both uppercase and lowercase. Clear? Next, string digits. Here digits means decimal number. The decimal number is called the base 10 because it has 10 digits. So in decimal number, this command will print 0 to 9. 0 to 9, it means 10 numbers. Okay. Hexadecimal string hex digits means the hexadecimal number uses base 16. It uses the digit 0 to 9 and letter A to F. Means 0 to 9 and A to F. Either uppercase or lowercase. Okay. Next, octal digits. So the octal numbers has a base of 8. It means it has 8 digits from 0 to 7. 0 to 7. So this command will display 0 to 7 number. Next is the punctuation. Punctuation command display hash code, single quote, double quote, bracket, dollar sign, ampersand sign. Okay. Next is the white space. It means blank space. New line. See here, I have used for new line print. So these commands will print white space. Okay. And the last one is the string printable. This command will print number, uppercase letter, lowercase letter, and symbols. Okay. See the output of this code. See here. This is the uppercase A to Z. This is the lowercase A to Z. Here both lowercase and uppercase. Here 0 to 9 means 10. Here 0 to 9 A to F. A to F upper and lower case means 16. Here 0 to 7 it means 8. And here special characters, hash sign, double, dollar, percentage, ampersand, brackets. Okay, clear? Next is the white space. See here, white space. And the last one is the character set. Here number, lowercase, uppercase and punctuators. Clear? Now I'm going to start another program, Python string method. So first start the program, string method. See here, string method. Okay, in this program I have included how to find from the line number of uppercase, number of lowercase, number of digit, number of space, number of special characters. Okay, so now I am going to start one by one. First I have written some variables. First is the line, count, U for uppercase, L for lowercase, D for digit, space and S for special character. Okay, and A is A. Here I have written A. Clear? Next is the method function, input and len. Input function is used to accept value from user side. So it means when will you run the program will ask to you to write any string. When will you write the strings? This method, len method, will count how many characters are used in a single line. Okay, see next. Here I have used loop, for loop and condition if, elif or else. Okay, so I have written here for A in line. So first here your line will be stored. See here I have written line. So this function, 1 minute, this function will count how many characters are stored in a line. Clear? So here first character will check here if first character is upper. If yes, then 0 plus 1 here will check 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Otherwise go to the another condition and check lowercase, again yes, so 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Otherwise go to the another condition, here digit, so same 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Okay, same thing if space, so 0 plus, see here 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Okay, otherwise go to the last condition, else. In else same thing, 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. Okay, see, then after print the number of how many characters are used uppercase, how many characters are used lowercase, how many characters are used lower plus uppercase, how many characters are used digits, how many space are used, and how many special characters here, and how many total characters are used in a single line. Clear? See the output. First, your program will ask enter string. So I am writing here 1 dot I am learning. I am learning Python. Okay. See here. Number of uppercase 6. See here. I have written Python in uppercase. So number of uppercase is 6. Number of lowercase is 11. I is lowercase, am is lowercase, learning is lowercase. So I am 3 and here 8. 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3 is equal to 11. Okay. Here number of alphabet means 11 plus 6 is equal to 17. Okay. 17. Number of digits, I have used only 1, so here 1 digit. Number of space, here 1 is here, 2, 3 and 4, so 4 space. Okay. Number of special character 2, here 1 times dot and here full stop, so number of special character is 2. Total strength 24. Check. 2 plus 4 plus 1 plus 17. 17 1 18, 18 4 22, 22 or 2 24. 24. Okay. Thanks for watching this video.